our alma mater. It's a great occasion to see so many familiar faces and now accomplished professionals gathered here to reconnect, reminisce, and celebrate the togetherness we shared with this institute. We are thrilled even to welcome the old faculty who taught us, and most importantly, all cherished alumni who have traveled from near and far to be a part of this special reunion. So here we have gathered to relive our memories, to share our success and strengths, and the bond which we share with each other and even with the alma mater. So without wasting time, I request our principal of Mimar Medical College, Dr. Deepa Nair, to deliver a welcome address.
Good afternoon to one and all, and a warm welcome to the esteemed alumni of our college, and a congratulations to Alumni Committee for a well-organized Reminiscence 2025. So it's a special day for all of us to reconnect with each other and cherish great memories. So it's deeply gratifying to watch our alumni flourish in their career and contribute to the field of medicine and well-being of the society. So all of us know that the success of the alumni is the truest measure of institution's greatness. So it's my great pleasure to extend warm welcome to our Honorable Executive Director, Dr. Suchitra Nagare Madam, our Medical Superintendent, Dr. Darpan Mahesh Gauri Sir, all the esteemed faculty members, the old faculty members and the present faculty members. And again, I heartily welcome alumni of our college and a special welcome to the Silver Jubilee alumni of 2000 batch. So I'm sure all of you will be having that nostalgic feeling, coming back to the college where you learned the first lessons of medicine. So learn the anatomical position, learn the dissection, and pricking yourself in the hematology lab in physiology, or identifying the glucose and fructose in biochemistry, and examining the first patient in medicine and surgery. The late night studies, the shared struggle for the exam, then the mess food, argument with your classmates, and above all, the deep friendship that forged to an unshakable bond. So time has flown by. All of you have become specialists, super specialists, and established practitioners. So today, just look back and reminisce about those seemingly small things of your undergraduate days when the life was not as complicated as now it is. So I would like to involve you in your academics also. So you can contribute in many ways, maybe in the form of alumni guest lecture or guest lecture series, or it can be workshop for the residents. So you can also suggest in what way you can contribute to the academics of our college. And again, please let us know about your achievements. We would be happy to proud to know your achievements. So I request all of you to take this as an opportunity to reconnect, strengthen our bonds, and collaborate for our institute and contribute towards the well-being of the society. So let's make this a truly memorable day, and welcome home once again. Thank you.
And definitely we will try to strengthen this alumni association and will keep a bond with the institute. And definitely these alumni who are actually working somewhere as great professionals will contribute for the institute and even share their knowledge and wisdom and guide the UG students of Mimar definitely. So now we have few faculties from the inception of this college, and we have some photographs and some videos actually of the college. So they have requested that they would like to go through that memory lane and probably relive those memories of how this college has started. So I request Ashwini to play the first video which actually shows the college from its inception.
कुछ पल जो बिताए साथ में, याद आएंगे हमें फिर बाद में। मुस्कुराए किसी पे या कभी आंसू बह जाए, रंग छाए इन्हीं से सुरों के लम्हे गुनगुनाए। यादों का ये सागर बह चला, अनजाना हम सफर है मिल गया। हंसते हंसते इस सफर में बन गए तुम मेरी दुनिया। मेरी दुनिया, मेरी दुनिया। ये दिन तो आना ही था, मुझे तो यूं जाना ही था। पर जाते मुस्कुराते कहना था फिर तुमसे, ये पल जो बिताए साथ में, याद आएंगे हमें फिर बाद में। मुस्कुराएंगे जिन पे तुम्हारी यादें वो दिलाए, रंग छाए जिनसे सुरों के लम्हे गुनगुनाए। यादों का ये सागर बह चला, अनजाना हम सफर है मिल गया। हंसते हंसते इस सफर में बन गए तुम मेरी दुनिया। मेरी दुनिया, मेरी दुनिया। पुरानी जीन्स और गिटार, मोहल्ले की वो छत और मेरे यार, वो रातों को जागना, सुबह घर जाना, कूद के दीवार, वो सिगरेट पीना, गली में जाके वो करना दांतों को घड़ी घड़ी सा, पहुंचना कॉलेज हमेशा ले, वो कहना सर का get out from the class, वो बाहर जाके हमेशा कहना यहाँ का सिस्टम ही है खराब। वो जाके कैंटीन में टेबल बजा के वो गाने गाना यारों के साथ। बस यादें 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 रह जाती है, कुछ छोटी छोटी बातें रह जाती है। बस यादें 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 रह जाती है, कुछ छोटी छोटी बातें रह जाती है। बस यादें। वो पापा का डांटना, वो कहना मम्मी का छोड़े जिया, तुम्हें तो बस नजर आता है जहां में बेटा मेरा ही खरा। वो दिल में सोचना करके कुछ दिखाते, वो करना प्लानिंग रोज नहीं यार, लड़कपन का वो पहला प्यार, वो लिखना हाथों पे A+R, वो खिड़की से झांकना, वो लिखना लेटर उन्हें बार बार, वो देना तोहफे में सोने की बालियां, वो लेना दोस्तों से पैसे उधार। बस यादें 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 रह जाती है, कुछ छोटी छोटी बातें रह जाती है। बस यादें 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 रह जाती है, कुछ छोटी छोटी बातें रह जाती है। बस यादें।
It has definitely taken us down the memory lane almost 25 years back. And in this, there is a contribution of the faculty which that time was with us, and they had shared these videos of 95, 96, 97 up to 98 year. And if you now just in the video you had seen one madam, I think all of you remember, Royce ma'am we used to call her, and Dr. Sadhana Roy Chaudhary. So she couldn't make it for this alumni meet, but she had shared a video which she wants that it should be played in the alumni meet. So I request Ashwini to play that video which has been shared by Dr. Royce madam.
Hello from across the miles to the stellar batch of 2000, from an old fogey of a professor, and that me in case you forgot. I had the pleasure and the honor to be a small part of your medical journey once upon a time. Today, as you gather together to celebrate this special milestone, I'm just thinking of some words for you, that happiness is the memories of things past, the pleasures of the moment, and the hope of the future. So wish you a happy reunion in every sense of the word. I still recall fondly your innocent faces as you stood on the threshold of a daunting medical career, unaware of what's in store for you. And an ode to a medical student comes to mind. Into the realms of the unknown, with no time to exalt or to mourn, where even angels fear to tread, dare not ye enter, unless to me, that is medicine, you are wed. But you, dear batch of 2000, you not only dared it all, but you triumphed and spread your wings all over the world. Truly, the eagles have landed. I fondly recall, even today, in the first MBBS, how you as a batch had conducted and organized a panel discussion on the heart. And to date, it was still an excellent example of integrated learning, peer learning, and team-based learning. As I tried to match the names with the faces in the lovely photos that Ruchi sent me of you all, my heart swells with pride to see the trails that you have blazed as pediatricians, pediatric surgeons, ophthalmologists, dermatologists, orthopedicians, what have you. But in this reunion today, I wish for you that you shed your professional mantles for a spell and share your stories, not only of your triumphs, but your trials and tribulations along the way. As I recall, one of our unions, and I'm ancient by now, but we spoke of our struggles or our journey after completing MBBS. And some of the stories were truly humbling and inspiring and made yours, ours bearable in comparison. So hope that this reunion takes you back to those days of your laughter and your tears, of your struggles and your fears. Yet you forged bonds so strong as you journeyed along on this voyage of discovery that was so tough to navigate, but you did it together with a classmate. And at the end, to quote, again, I love my quotes from Khalil Gibran on friendship and the Prophet. Do read the whole thing if you get the time. He says, and their words are immortal really, he says, your friend is your need answered. He is the field which you sow with love and reap with thanksgiving. Let the best be for your friends. For if he must know the ebb of your tide, let him know its flood also. For what is your friend that you seek him with hours to kill? Seek him with hours to live. And in the sweetness of friendship, let there be laughter and shared pleasure. For in the dew of little things, the heart finds its morning and is refreshed. So, wishing that you return from this reunion rejuvenated, refreshed, and with rekindled friendships, ready to take on the world again. Lastly, my special wish for you for this special batch of 2000 is that may the best you've ever seen be the worst you'll ever see, and the best is yet to be. So I've looked at your photographs, I recall some of your names and your faces, and it's so lovely to have seen those. And I believe Archana has been at the helm of affairs to organize these reunions. So wish you a great time ahead, and I'm missing me there truly. Love you all. Bye-bye, and do keep on having more reunions. They keep you going. Bye again.
This video, she actually is a part of this alumni meet. I'm so happy to hear from ma'am for this alumni meet. Now, another one more video is gonna come. So Mimar completed 25 years and we celebrated a silver jubilee year in 2019. And that time we had a first kind of a big alumni meet, and many alumni had actually come to witness that alumni meet. And after that, we are doing it regularly on every third Saturday of December. And choosing this third Saturday of December is because of Christmas holidays people get, and they can actually come and visit the alma mater. So there is a small video which will basically gives you the glimpse of the reminiscence we conducted since last few years. So I again request Ashwini to play that video. And after that, we will have some, you can share your things with, share your memories or whatever you want to talk after this video. Thank you.
आवारा नदी चल के वो खुल के सनसनाती सनन सनन
और वो है झील सा खामोशियों की एक तरंग लिए तरंग
रिश्ता ये कैसा चलती रेत पाओ का रिश्ता ये कैसा चंदन धूप छाओ का बोलो अधूरे तुम अधूरे हम बिन तुम्हारे अधूरे तुम अधूरे हम बिन तुम्हारे मुट्ठियों में बादलों को लेके वो निचोड़ दे वो रात की चुप्पी में शोर नटखट छोड़ दे मुट्ठियों में बादलों को लेके वो निचोड़ दे वो रात की चुप्पी में शोर नटखट छोड़ दे बेबाक है बिंदास है उसे जिंदगी की प्यास है पास है पर दूरियां मखमली मजबूरियां हैं अधूरे तुम अधूरे हम बिन तुम्हारे अधूरे तुम अधूरे हम बिन तुम्हारे
मन के कमरों में वो खोले खुशबू की शीशियाँ वो साहिलों पे ढूंढता है इश्क वाली सी पिया मन के कमरों में वो खोले खुशबू की शीशियाँ साहिलों पे ढूंढता है इश्क वाली सी पिया प्यार है रोमांस है बस यही साज है दो दिलों की दरमियाँ ख्वाहिशों की कश्तियाँ हैं
अधूरे तुम अधूरे हम बिन तुम्हारे अधूरे तुम अधूरे हम बिन तुम्हारे आवारा नदी चल के वो खुल के सनसनाती सनन सनन
और वो है झील सा खामोशियों की एक तरंग लिए तरंग
रिश्ता ये कैसा चलती रेत पाओ का रिश्ता ये कैसा झिलमिल धूप छाओ का बोलो अधूरे तुम अधूरे हम बिन तुम्हारे अधूरे तुम अधूरे हम बिन तुम्हारे अधूरे तुम अधूरे हम बिन तुम्हारे
Reminiscence which already happened. Every year, actually, we call the batch, which is called as a Silver Jubilee batch, which completes 25 years of their MBBS, after their MBBS, to host the reminiscence. So this year, it is batch of 2000, which is hosting this reminiscence. So I would like to invite the students of batch of 2000 to share their thoughts with us. So anybody from batch of 2000 wants to share their memories, their thoughts with us.
Good afternoon. Thank you very much for putting this together. My wishes to all the dignitaries, teachers, friends. I've got my notes and my pen. I had to get back into character. It is amazing to be here today. It was December 2000 when 100 of us, odd 100 of us, we've remained the special odd batch, met for the first time. Little did we know the transformation that was going to happen to us. We didn't know that from 80 you could be 40 the next day, and just time's going to fly and you're going to become someone totally different. Our teachers, this college, you made us ordinary people into doctors. Thank you very much. We are here to celebrate and to thank you for this. We might be able to resuscitate sick patients. We might be able to anesthetize or to operate, to treat, to diagnose. But who taught us what is heart rate, what is blood pressure, how they are related, how we check the respiratory system? And here, I need to thank the boys of our batch for being willing subjects for system examination. It wasn't possible without you. Through first MBBS, our teachers welcomed us. I can see some of our first MBBS teachers here as well. You welcomed us into this new world, which was going to be different and unique. You took us in when we did not know anything. On the last day of third MBBS, I felt I do not know what to do if a real patient comes to me. And you took us in at that time. Thank you, teachers. I'm going to talk about some of the lectures which we all remember. I'm not going to say whose, but you will all know. Microbiology. The little microbe was cut into hundreds of pieces and served to us in minute details in lectures. You all know who I'm talking. Yes. Pharmacology was taught to us like the alphabet. A for apple, H1, H2 are different. They are very, very different in the body. Do not mix them up. Atre ma'am, yeah. So some of these lessons have lasted the life for us. Then come clinicals. Inguinal hernia, 1 patient, 20, but we remembered it, sir, Sunday, sir. And then came, I thought of obs gynac. Those days we didn't have animation, we didn't have, but we could visualize. We were almost the baby coming out of the pelvic canal. So thank you so much. Yeah. And then came internship. That was it. It was us and a real patient. We were on the surgical ward, me and Vasu. And we said, sir, we'll do it. Foley's catheter for an elderly patient. Within minutes, we were on call to the on-call surgeon that day. Sunday, sir, please come. You have to come and save us. And minutes later, we were in the doctor's room on our knees praying to God, save all of us, save the patient. So thank you, teachers, for saving us in moments like this, taking us in, telling us that it's still possible. Keep going, keep trying. And along the way, of course, all the friendships we made, ABC batches. My batch, I'm not seeing so many people. Sushma is here. Oh, there. Yeah, there we are. Yes. Oh, Anand is there. Our dissection table batches. Sushma used to say, do you want to now dip into the formalin and take? So it was friendships that started there have truly lasted us a lifetime. When it was time to take a case in my batch, and our teachers asked who's taking a case, I think people took a step back because I was taking a case all the time. Me and Vasu were day scholars, so we used to travel by local train from Akurdi to Talegaon, 5 stations. Over 5.5, 6 years, we had lifetime of conversations in this. We also revised the entire MBBS portion on these local train journeys. And of course, hostel life, I'm sure friends will speak about it, but we were welcomed into the hostels as well. And today, this friendship only continues to grow stronger. So thank you so much, teachers, organizers. We are just here to say one thing that Archana said to me. We are no one. We just have one identity. We are the Y2K batch of Maima Medical College. And on behalf of everybody, just to say thank you. We value you. We respect this place. And it's such an honor to be back. Thank you.
Fantastic. We could imagine that the batch is sitting in the lectures and she could actually memorize everything at that time. So who is the next? Anybody. It's your day. Definitely, whatever you want to do. Vaibhav, you have to speak at the end, but public demand.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected teachers, friends, or I should say fellow survivors of the 2000 batch. It's always a bit of pressure to speak after the university topper, but I'll try my best. So honestly, it's nothing short of a miracle that we all are standing here today for our reunion. As Ruchi was saying, 25 years ago, we all had come together, not far from here, with hopes in our eyes and dreams in our heart, with the confidence of people who had absolutely no idea what was coming for them. Our 5 years through medical school was like a roller coaster, except that the roller coaster was on fire, we were blindfolded, and someone kept handing textbooks to us. So those 5 years were absolutely exhausting, confusing, but unforgettable. We entered as students, but we came out as professionals who knew how to manage emergencies, save lives, and survive on just chai and samosas. Today we are all professionals who are spread across the world, but we always will be proud products of Maima Medical College. And we will not forget that. In this room today, I see many familiar faces, some slightly older, mostly wiser, but still the same at heart. But amongst all of us are people who made all of this possible, our teachers. So to our teachers, thank you for your guidance. Thank you for everything you have done to us. And you've made us from students into professionals, into doctors who are spread all across the world. You taught us empathy, humility, the art of staying awake at an 8 a.m. lecture, skills which no textbooks could teach us. So very grateful to you all. So here's to 25 years of laughter, memory, lots of memories, case presentations, night shifts, friendships. Wherever we are in the world, we'll always be proud products of Maima Medical College. Wherever life takes us, these classrooms, these corridors, this campus will always be where we truly begin our journey. Thank you, everyone. And cheers for the next 25 years.
For such wonderful memories and thoughts you shared with us. And now I request one of the faculty who has taught us wants to share his thoughts and memories with you, Dr. Kamath.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected dignitaries and my dear doctors. Many familiar faces, but don't remember the names. That is what happens. But seeing all of you makes us proud that you have reached the pinnacle in your profession, most of you, and you have come back just to say thanks to us. So wherever you are and doing well, just remember your alma mater and keep coming back like this. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. It's a request from few of the alumni that they want to also share thoughts. Maybe we will be little short and brief because we are actually late for next things. You can come up and share your thoughts, no problem.
So, respected dignitaries, I'll be sharing some kissas, like what kisse we had in our hostel and college life. They are so amazing that no one can forget it. It was, I think, final for World Cup match. And we, from a hostel, we called everyone. Tomorrow is our college exam and we want to watch the match. So we collected Mithun, Vaibhav, Ashay, around 10 people, and we had gone to Dhavre sir. I think he was probably, we had a Pharmac exam that time. We had gone to sir and asked him, sir, can we postpone the paper? We want to watch the match today. And sir was like, just get lost from here and go and study. Another interesting fact, like we used to study in a library. So every day, we used to go to library. One of our batchmate came on that day and he asked that I'm going to study on a Harin Tekdi today. I asked, Harin Tekdi, why you are going there? He asked that, तू हमारे साथ ज्वाइन करेगा क्या? मैं बोला नहीं, मुझे नहीं आना है. उसने मुझे, आशय, मिथुन, संदीप सबको पूछा. Like no one said we don't want to join. Then he said मैं और मुग्धा and Sampada भी आ रहे. Everyone was okay. Then we are also joining you. So those were very unforgettable days. Like we used to find how to not to study, and teachers were like, how you study. So all those days, very like cherished moments, and the Mimer has given us a lot. Whatever we are today, all due to the Mimer. I sincerely thank to all my teacher and this parent college. Thank you very much.
For sharing those wonderful memories. It is not very old days that we had walked to the Harneshwar Tekdi and done all the fun. So I think it's too late. I request our Executive Director, Dr. Suchitra Nagre Madam, to guide all the alumni we have gathered on occasion of this Reminiscence 2025.
Thank you, Sandesh. A very good afternoon to all dear students of Mimer Medical College. Special welcome to Y2K batch. I still remember year 2000 was very much celebrated all over the world. Similarly, it must have been celebrated then in Mimer. की 2000ची बॅच म्हणजे विशेष. म्हणजे मला आठवतं तेव्हा बाळं पण जन्माला यायची, त्यांचं पण खूप कौतुक व्हायचं की 2000 साली जन्माला आले मध्यरात्री 12 वाजता वगैरे. So proud feeling in my heart, seeing all of you around. मला असं कळलं कोणी UK वरनं आलंय, कोणी जळगाववरनं आलंय, कोणी लांबून लांबून तुम्ही सर्वजण इथे आलात. आज एवढंच सांगेन की तुम्ही नक्कीच तुमची जी स्वप्न होती ती बरीचशी स्वप्न पूर्ण होत आली असतील. आता तुमच्या मुलांची स्वप्न पूर्ण कशी होतील याच्यावर तुमच्या सगळ्यांचा फोकस हळूहळू शिफ्ट होईल. पण मीनवाईल आय जस्ट लाईक टू tell all of you that please keep meeting your friends and keep making memories, because what I am finding, because see, we all have so many commitments towards family, towards society, towards patients, and towards parents, towards our kids. But what I find now is more important is to have good time with your friends and family, because no one is sure about what will happen tomorrow or the next very moment. पण खूप छान वाटतंय तुम्ही सगळेजण इथे आलात आणि एवढं एन्जॉय करताय. आणि थँक्स टू द ॲल्युमिनाय कमिटी ऑफ मायमर की ज्यांनी हे इनिशिएटिव्ह गेल्या काही वर्षांमध्ये चालू केलं. मला वाटतं आय जस्ट फेल्ट जेव्हा रॉयसी मॅमचा मेसेज पाहिला तेव्हा मला असं वाटलं कराड सरांचा एक ऑनलाईन मेसेज खरं घेता आला असताच, पण इट स्किप्ड माय माइंड. पण शुअरली घैसास सर, कराड सर, सगळे फाउंडर्स, दे कीप ब्लेसिंग देअर स्टुडंट्स. आणि it's a very proud feeling for all of us at Mimer that wherever we go, even my faculty, when they go to some conferences, some outings, they keep meeting their students, and that is the most proud feeling for a teacher, to see your student being a great successful person in the world. मला माझ्या बॅचचं विचाराल तर आय एम 93 ॲडमिशन ऑफ MIMSR मेडिकल कॉलेज. तर आता उशिरा अक्कल येते म्हणतात तसं गेल्या 6 वर्षांमध्ये आम्ही आमच्या बॅचचं अल्टरनेट इयर गेट टुगेदर ठेवतो. आणि आय सी टू इट दॅट मिनिमम 60 स्टुडंट शुड अटेंड आउट ऑफ 100. सो आय विश की प्रत्येक बॅचने हे टार्गेट घ्यावं. कारण काय होतं, आपण खूप गोष्टी असल्यामुळं कधी कधी असं विचार करतो जाऊ दे ना, हे महत्त्वाचं नाही आहे माझ्यासाठी एवढं. पण जेव्हा तुम्ही येता परत आणि जेव्हा तुम्ही तुमच्या तेव्हाच्या मित्रमैत्रिणींना भेटता आणि आत्ता आपल्यात जो बदल झालेला असतो ओव्हर 20 इयर्स, तो जाणून घेताना आयुष्यांमध्ये जे बदल घडत राहतात आपल्या क्लासमेट्सच्या, तेव्हा त्यांच्या मदतीला, त्यांच्या दुःखात, त्यांच्या आनंदात जेव्हा आपण सहभागी होतो तेव्हा जो आनंद मिळतो तो कुठल्याही गोष्टींमध्ये मिळणार नाही असं मला वाटतं. सो वेलकम बॅक टू मायमर. ऑलरेडी दीपा मॅम हॅड सेड how you can come back to the institution. I'm sure Sushma, Vaishali, Sandesh, Ashish, all of them take it up to the next level, that even if you are not in Pune, how can you contribute to Mimer Medical College students now, because who are still in faculty of Myanmar or who have joined, like Sandesh have joined as a faculty of Myanmar later, they know how the student quality, student feelings, students' behavior are changing. So there we might need your help, we might need your guidance for grooming the new doctors who will be serving this society just the way you are doing. So congratulations to all of you. So proud and so happy to see you all here. आणि पुढचे 2 दिवस तुमचे खूप मेमोरेबल असतील. कीप कमिंग बॅक टू इन्स्टिट्यूशन, कीप कमिंग बॅक टू पुणे, कीप मीटिंग वेर एव्हर यू आर विथ ऑल युअर फ्रेंड्स. वी कीप मेकिंग न्यू फ्रेंड्स. आपले शाळेतले वेगळे असतात, 11वी-12वीचे वेगळं, पण कॉलेजमधलं जे बॉन्डिंग असतं ते सगळ्यात स्ट्रॉंग असतं असं मी माझ्या स्वतःच्या अनुभवानं सांगते. कारण त्या एजमध्ये मग आपली लगेच 2-3 वर्षात लग्न होतात, मग फॅमिली पण जॉईन होते आपल्याला. So that friendship is the strongest, I feel, even more stronger than PG friendships. UG is the most strongest bond ever one can have. So thank you so much for coming and have a wonderful day and wonderful evening and great weekend ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. We'll definitely try to make this alumni association very strong, and definitely this alumni will contribute in some or the other way for Myanmar and the institute, ma'am. And as a part of contribution or tribute to our own institute, the Y2K batch wants to do something for this institute. I'll ask Savita basically to talk about it, and she wants to contribute to the alma mater in some way.
It's not, I would like to call all my batchmates. This is a token of appreciation. मराठीतनं बोलते, सगळे मागे मराठी करतात. हे आपल्या सर्वांतर्फे आम्हाला जे सुचलं ॲज अ ऑर्गनायझर की आपण आपल्या कॉलेजसाठी काहीतरी छोटं करूयात, 25 वर्ष झाली आहेत तर. सो आपल्या सगळ्यांकडनं टोकन ऑफ ग्रॅटिट्यूड वी ऑल आर गोना प्रेझेंट टू मॅम. सो सगळेजण प्लीज या.
I request all Y2K batch alumni to come here, and even teachers, please. Oh.
हॅलो. जस्ट फॉर इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ऑल यू स्टुडंट्स, काल आपल्या हॉस्पिटलमध्ये पहिलं CABG ऑपरेशन झालं BSTRमध्ये. इट वॉज फर्स्ट इन मावळ. सो वी आर सो प्राऊड की डॉक्टर दर्पण महेश गौरी आणि सर्व क्लिनिशियन्सच्या टीम्स वी आर डुईंग वंडरफुल जॉब. 1000च्या पुढे आपली OPD असते दररोजची सध्या मायमरची, आणि 250च्या पुढे IPD असते. आणि सो मेनी स्टुडंट्स, सो मेनी फॅकल्टी, सो मेनी पीपल फ्रॉम अवर फ्रेटर्निटी कीप्स कमिंग टू हॉस्पिटल टू सर्व द सोसायटी. आणि असे फ्रिक्वेंट कॅम्प्स आपण करत राहतो. पण वॉट अ वंडरफुल टायमिंग फॉर यू पीपल दॅट फर्स्ट CABG ऑफ मायमर अँड युअर बॅच इज हिअर टू सेलिब्रेट. थँक्यू सो मच.
Thank you, batch of 2000 Y2K, for such a wonderful gift to the Myanmar. See, as I already said, it's the batch which completes 25 years in Myanmar will host the reminiscence, and this year this batch of 2000, that is Y2K batch, has started a new trend. They joined this alumni with a huge number. That is one important thing. And then the gift what they delivered to the alma mater. So next year, the batch of 2001 is gonna complete 25 years. So next alumni meet, that is reminiscence, will be hosted by the batch of 2001. So I think there is only one member from batch of 2001 present here, and I request the representatives of this Y2K batch has to hand over the baton to the next batch for hosting the reminiscence next year. So I request representatives of batch of Y2K to transfer the baton to the next batch. Y2K is hosting the reminiscence today, and the next year batch of 2001 is completing their 25 years after MBBS. So they will be the hosting next alumni meet. So I request Savita and her team to transfer the baton to Surbhi, who is the member of batch of 2001. So it's a huge responsibility. Surbhi has to basically convince all her batch to be here in large number. Surbhi, you have to be in a big number next year. So it's not only the baton, actually it's the huge responsibility on Surbhi. Next year she has promised that the number will be more than this. Actually, so next year Surbhi has promised that the number of alumni will be more than this year. So is the challenge the Y2K batch has given to the junior batch. All of you can join for the photograph.
होठों पे फंसी है गुदगुदी कर रही हवा हल्ला मचा रही है पागल सी ख्वाहिशें खुशियों की मिली है वजह कुछ है जुनून सा कुछ पागलपन है ना 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 ये ना ना ना
3 cheers for Y2K batch. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip!
तेरे जितने हजार सनम बढ़ के हमसे नहीं होंगे दिलदार सनम ये ज़माना है बेवफा ये
All set? Everybody, come on. 3, 2, 1. Come on, say cheese, everyone. बैटरी सबसे ज्यादा हो राइट नाउ यहाँ पे इन परसेंटेज वाइज कम ऑन 40 एनीवन मोर देन 40 बैटरी 79 एनीवन मोर 87 पहला यहाँ से आया 89 वी गॉट समवन विथ 100 सर प्लीज शो Okay, 89. Anyone more than 89 battery percentage? Anyone more than 89 battery percentage? We have a prize. Come on, it's a sport game. Okay, we got someone with more than 89. Yes, sir. How much? Yes, sir. How much? I can't see. I can't see. Show me. 95. Anyone more than 95 battery percentage? Anyone more than 95 battery percentage? 95 battery percentage, anyone? Okay. 89. Okay, anyone more than 89? And 91. We got someone with 91. 91. Anyone more than 91 battery percentage? Anyone more than 91 battery percentage? 91 battery percentage 1. 91 battery percentage 2 and 91 battery percentage 3. The prize goes to you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Point number 2.
Prize number 2. Now somebody here जिनके मोबाइल फोन की बैटरी सबसे कम हो उनके लिए we have a prize. Switch off छोड़ के how much? 0 not allowed. 0 not allowed. Switch off छोड़ के come on switch off छोड़ दें यहाँ कितनी 7. Anyone less than 7. Switch off not allowed, dear. Sorry. Anyone less than 7? Anyone less than 7 battery percentage? Anyone less than 7 battery percentage? 7 battery 1, 7 battery percentage 2, and 7 battery percentage 3. This is for you. Thank you.
Ma'am, there is a power bank. Please use it. Okay, move to the third prize. Okay, now असं कोण ज्यांचे इंस्टाग्रामवर सगळ्यात जास्त फॉलोअर्स आहे प्राइजेस फॉर देम. कम ऑन, इन अ कंपटीशन वे. येस सर, हाऊ मच? सबसे ज्यादा फॉलोअर्स ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. दाखवा दाखवा, प्लीज दाखवा. कम ऑन, किती आहे किती आहे? 37. 3700. 24,300. Anyone more than 24.3K followers on Instagram? विकत घेतलेत. नाही, ब्लू टिक पण आहे. Anyone more than 24K followers on Instagram? 24,300. Yes. He is coming for the second time now. आता द्यावं लागणार. Anyone more than 24,000 followers? 24. Okay, checking. 24K1. 24K2 and 24K3. This one is yours. Thank you, sir. Okay, done. Okay, moving to the next game. Okay, now the next game is in this way. तिकडे एक सॉन्ग प्ले होणार आहे. ओके, यू नीड टू गेस ते सॉन्ग कोणतं आहे आणि इकडे येऊन ते सॉन्ग फक्त 60 सेकंड सिंग करायचं आहे. जो कोणी व्यक्ती ते सॉन्ग रिकॉग्नाइज करणार, गाणार, त्यांना आपण हे प्राइज देऊया. हां, so this would be like a buzzer round. Okay, just raise your hand. Okay, done. हाँ, okay, done. Ready? We will be playing a track. आपको देखना है वो ट्रैक कौन सा है, पहचानो, गाना गाइए 60 seconds के लिए, and the prize is yours. Okay, done. Yeah, please have your seat. Okay, track number 1, music please. Stop. हाँ, okay, we got someone from that side. नाही, पहिला इथून आलाय.
ऐका सगळ्यांनी. आने से उसके आए बहार, जाने से उसके जाए बहार, बड़ी मस्तानी है मेरी महबूबा, मेरी जिंदगानी है मेरी महबूबा.
That is right. This is yours. Thank you. Okay. The track will be played only for 10 seconds. Then again 10 seconds if no one recognized. Okay. Done. Next track for 10 seconds. Stop. This side.
छू कर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा, बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा.
Okay. This one is for you, sir. Thank you. Okay. आता next या गेम मध्ये you can participate. Please. बाकीच्यांना पण थोडा चान्स द्या. हाँ, but थोड़ा adjust कर लेते हैं. Okay. Okay. Next track for next 10 seconds. Next track. Stop.
मला जाऊ द्या ना घरी.
No, anyone? Yeah. If someone raises hand, we need to stop the music. That's the point. Okay, continue music. Stop.
लिखे जो खत तुझे वो तेरी याद में हजारों रंग के नजारे बन गए. सवेरा जब हुआ तो फूल बन गए, जो रात आई तो नजारे बन गए. लिखे जो खत तुझे.
Thank you, sir. For the teachers present here. Okay, the next track is only for the teachers present here. Okay, please continue. Next track. Teachers. Okay, stop. That side. I will hold the mic for you.
जगाओ मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं तू जगाओ अगर तुम कहो तुमको बुलाओ के पल के बिछाओ कदम तुम जहाँ जहाँ रखो जमी को आसमां बनाओ सितारों से सजाओ अगर तुम कहो.
Oh, this is your prize. Thank you. Okay, again, next track, but common for everyone. Everyone can participate. Okay, wait, let me go that side first. Music. जो पहले ये गेम में जीत चुके हैं उनके लिए नहीं होगा. Stop. This side, this side. Sir, you already participated. Sir, you already participated.
मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू बीत जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू चलिया तू चलिया.
Okay, this is for you. Okay, next track इथून लक्ष चालू करतो. Okay, चलो लास्ट ट्रॅक. हात वर केला की म्युझिक बंद होणार. ओके, चालू करूया. चलो म्युझिक. Stop. Teacher that side. Teacher that side. Please help. Please help. नीले नीले अंबर पे. And that's the right answer. Please join your hands for your teacher. Okay. So this time you need to sing a song for 60 seconds. Please, 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 please. That's fine. It's okay. It's okay. Let's have a try. Let's have a try. Madam, yeah, please come. Madam, yeah. Please join.
नीले नीले अंबर पर चांद जब आए प्यार बरसाए हमको तरसाए ऐसा कोई साथी हो ऐसा कोई प्रेमी हो प्यास दिल की बुझा जाए नीले नीले अंबर.
क्या बात है. Please join your hands from everyone. And this one is for you. Thank you. Okay. One more track. Wait. हाँ इथून पहिला लक्ष देतो. नो प्रॉब्लेम. ओके स्टॉप. दिस साइड. टाइम अप. ओके दुसरं कोण होतं. ओके इथे 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 इथे.
यार बिना चैन कहाँ रे प्यार बिना चैन कहाँ रे सोना नहीं चांदी नहीं यार तो मिला अरे प्यार कर ले.
Thank you. Okay, done. So now moving with the next game. And to play the next game, we need some female to come here. It's okay. Invite yourself. Invite yourself. It's going to be a 1 minute game. Or koi, please invite yourself. Yeah, no, that's fine. Please invite yourself directly. Please invite yourself. Please invite yourself. Please. That's fine. It's okay. It's okay. No count as such. No count as. Okay, take one balloon. Let's have a try. ले लो एक ले लो. Take one please. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. ले लो. एक गया. Take one. That's fine. It's okay. It's okay. सांगतो पकडा. Done. अजून एक घ्या. हा या प्लीज कम या. दोन घ्या. अजून एक घ्या. Take one. अजून एक घ्या प्लीज. अजून एक. Take one. हा दोन. हा दोन आहेत. दोन. अच्छा दिस बॅकअप ठेवलं. ओके प्लीज टेक. या हाँ दो ले लो. डन. ओके नाउ ओके डन. द गेम इज ऑन दिस वे. सी सगळ्यात पहिले जे दोन बलून तुमच्याकडे दिले आहेत ना ते एकदा फुगून बघा बलून बरोबर आहे का. इन केस जर फुटलेलं असेल मला परत करा. दुसरा ले लो. डन. ओके फाइन. द गेम इज इन दिस वे. सबसे पहले आपको एक बलून को फुगाना है. आई विल शो यू पहले क्या करना है. दिस वे. ओके त्यानंतर तुम्हाला या बलूनला गाठ मारायची आहे. Done. आता hold on. After that, if you are lefty, then left hand. If you are righty, then right hand. तुम्हाला बलूनला असं उडवायचं आहे. अँड ह्या बलूनला बाउन्स करता करता तुम्हाला दुसरा बलून पण फुगवायचा आहे आणि त्याला पण गाठ मारायची आहे. जर हा बलून अरे पॉसिबल आहे. यूज सम स्मार्ट मूव. होऊन जाईल. लेट्स हॅव अ ट्राय. ओके डन. ज्यांचं सगळे दोन्ही बलूनला गाठ मारून होणार त्यांना आपण प्राइज देऊया. ओके इझी आहे, सिम्पल ट्रिक आहे, होऊन जाईल. होईल. I will show you later on. That's the trick I'm expecting from your side. Okay? Done? Ready? 3. जर बलून खाली पडलं you are out. Okay? चलो 3, 2, 1. Music. Please join your hands for the everyone. उडवा पकडायचं नाही. उडवा. Yes, come on. Okay, come on. Keep. हाँ दूसरा फुगवा. तो पटला तर आउट. जर पहिला बलून खाली पडलं तर युअर आउट. हा उडवा. पक्का केलंय. ओके द ट्रिक वॉज सिम्पल. बलून फुगवा, बलूनला एकदम वरती उडवा and then आरामशी गाठ मारा. That's what she did. And this one is for you. Thank you. Okay, done. Okay, now, okay. Okay, now to play the next game, you need to be with one partner. We need a partner for this game. Come on. Yeah. बलून जाऊ द्या. हाँ. बलून नको, बलूनचं काम झालंय. बलून जाऊ द्या. Done. Get a partner जे बसले त्यांच्यापैकी, not from here. एक और पार्टनर लेके आना, बट इसमें से नहीं जो बैठे हैं उनमें से. मेल फीमेल कोई भी चलेगा. And your time starts now. Please get, you have 60 seconds for this. Come on. Get a partner for you. Come on. फोटो प्लीज. Please come, please invite yourself. Please come. So, okay, yeah, done. So I need a mobile phone from each team. म्हणजे दोघांपैकी एकाच मोबाईल फोन पाहिजे. हा इथे ठेवा प्लीज. दोघांपैकी एकाच. यू आर टू. हा या प्लीज. हा ठेवा प्लीज ठेवा. डन. एकच ठेवा म्हणजे एका टीम मधून एकाच मोबाईल फोन. डन या प्लीज ठेवा. Okay, done. So, okay, done. See, in this game, if you win, you get surprise, and even your partner get a prize. That means winner get 2 prize. Okay. So I will explain you तुम्हाला करायचं काय exactly ना. What you will have to do is, सांगतो. I'm going to give you 4 points. जी पेअर सगळ्यात पहिला हे 4 पॉइंट्स कंप्लीट करणार ना त्यांना आपण 2 प्राइज देऊया. पॉइंट असे आहेत ना, पहिला पूर्णपणे ऐकून घेऊया. देन विल हॅव अ काउंटडाऊन. देन आपण गेम स्टार्ट करूया. पॉइंट नंबर 1 तुम्हाला इकडे यायचं आहे आणि तुमचा जो रिस्पेक्टिव्ह मोबाईल आहे तो इथून कलेक्ट करायचा आहे. दॅट्स पॉइंट नंबर 1. पॉइंट नंबर 2 इन द सेम मोबाईल फोन तुम्हाला तुमचं आणि तुमचं पार्टनरचं एक सेल्फी क्लिक करायचं आहे. ओके डन. दिस इज क्लिअर. पॉइंट नंबर 3 त्या सेम सेल्फीला तुम्हाला तुमच्या मोबाईलचं वॉलपेपर सेट करायचं आहे. पॉइंट नंबर 4 मला दाखवायचं आहे. जे सगळ्यात पहिलं मला वॉलपेपर सेट करून दाखवणार त्यांना आपण 2 प्राइज देऊया. Okay, done. The game is clear. I will give you a countdown, ma'am. I'll give you a countdown. Point number one, you need to come here, take your mobile phone. Not now, not now, sir, sir, wait, take it. Wait, sir, wait, sir, not allowed. Okay, please, wait. Please keep it down. We are not started yet. Okay, would we be having a countdown? Okay, ready? All set? This phone is not allowed. आपने सेल्फी लिया नहीं ना पहले का? Okay, चलो. Ready? अच्छा किसने आपको लगता किसी ने लिया है तो हम किसने लिया है बताइए. सब चीटर है. चलो ready? मला दाखवा. Wait. I will take a countdown. 3, 2, 1. Come on, music. Come on. Because iPhone wallpaper, show it to me and take a run. Show it to me. बताओ. दाखवा बताइए. बताओ. नहीं not set. Wallpaper, mobile wallpaper. नहीं हुआ. Done. ते पहिला आले. It was first come first serve. ते पहिला आले. And this is your mobile phone and one for okay this side. One for you and one for your partner, please. Okay, done. Okay. Please be here only. Okay. To play the next game, we are going to make two teams. So one team please be on my right hand side and one team on my left hand side. Team A, team B. Yeah. Which side, ma'am? You will go this side or this side? It should be equal number of players, please. Go with 7.7 prizes. Rest for the evening. The game is in this way. We are going to play some music there. Okay, we are going to play some music there. आपको पहचानना है वो म्यूजिक कौन सा है और म्यूजिक का हुकअप स्टेप आपको आपके पूरे टीम को करवाना है. ओके, डन. ओके, जो भी करेंगे उनके लिए वी हैव अ प्राइज एंड योर टीम गेट्स अ पॉइंट. वी आर गोइंग टू प्ले अ सॉन्ग. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's have a trial round. Okay, let's have a trial round. Okay, music please. Everybody have to do. Come on, Sergi. Come on, you have to change doing. Come on. Please. Come on.
My name is Lakhan.
We have got some new members also. Yeah. Okay, done. This side. This was a trial round. अगर ये trial round नहीं होता तो the point was yours. Okay, done. Okay. This was a trial round, sir. Done. Okay, next track. The best one gets the prize. Come on, point. Do it. Do it. जेव्हा टाइम येईल तेव्हा करायचं. When the time comes. When the time comes. When the lyrics come. Everybody come on, dude. Everybody come on. And everybody. 3, 2.
तेरी झलक शर्फी शिवली नाम अकबर.
Done. Okay, this side. No. She removed the sandal. Okay, boss. Okay, done. See, you have to do the hookup step, but when the time comes. Okay, done. Okay. पहिला तुम्ही बघून घ्या कोणतं जण जेव्हा वेळ येईल तेव्हा तुम्ही करा. Okay. Next track, music.
والله
Everybody,
يا اخي والله خرج يا اخي
فلوس عندي خوش فصلة يا اخي تفوز والله خوش القصة عندي لك راك
Okay,
يا الحبيب.
Okay, by looking, okay, by, okay, the song, okay, the song, the aura, the uniform, the goggle, everything matches to this guy here. He was having the same costume, the same goggle and the same shape. सर एक बार वापस करके दिखाओ इनको प्लीज, तो गॉगल पहन के एक बार करके दिखाओ. हाँ कराओ. ओके
والله فلوس عندي خوش فصلة يا اخي تفوز والله خوش القصة يا اخي فلوس عندي خوش فصلة يا اخي تفوز والله خوش القصة عندي لك راك قوية يا الحبيب سمع صبحة خطبها نصيب مدحلك جنب تعطيه كف.
Thank you. Okay, next track. Okay, move to the next track. This side. Guys, account open करा. एकच झालेत. थोडे लड़की वाले गाने लगाओ, लड़की वाले. Okay. Done. Okay, next track. Music.
धूल उड़ा के सींग उठा के तुम भी नाचो, ढोल बेटा राजू उड़ के नाचो. के ऐसे नाचो. आजा छोरे, आजा गोरे, आजा छोरे.
नाही, you are late to join the team. But anyway, तुमच्याच टीम मध्ये. अरे ते डान्स करायला इकडे आले, पॉइंट तिकडे गेले. Okay, next track.
Idi Junge, King Khan, yo Honey Singer.
हाँ, do it.
मुझको थोड़ा रंग घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कुकू में तुम्हें लस्सी मिला के आजा सारे बूढ़े बना. मुझको थोड़ा रंग घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कुकू में तुम्हें लस्सी मिला के आजा सारे बूढ़े बना.
Okay, done. Okay, this time I like to give to two people, one this side and one this side. They were the one who सारे अरे ये तो सरप्राइज मांग रहे हैं. वर्ड. Okay. None. Okay. Next track.
माझी नजर
One for the little one here. Okay, done. Okay. So now you all can have your lunch. See you after some time once again. Thank you very much. Thanks for joining. Please have your lunch.
Very good afternoon to all the dignitaries. Respected Suchitra Nagre ma'am, all my dear staff, my friends. My name is Dr. Nitin Arun Naik and I am from the Y2K batch. So my heart is pounding now. Heart rate must be 120 per minute. So I am really very happy to see. I am literally coming after 20 years. I think I am the only person who is coming after 20 years, proper 20 years. So this is a very unique and very great moment for me. Naturally, we are not able to express our emotions through the speech or at least I won't be able to express my emotion through my lecture or speech. But I think you can't imagine what I'm feeling right now. You won't imagine that I have cried also. 1 month back, while I just came to know that we are going to meet, whether you believe it or not, but see, those memories are very, very deep inside your brain, inside your subconscious mind.
होश हो जाएंगे, मैंने शाम होने आई,
मौसम मेरी अंगड़ाई,
आजा शाम होने आई,
मौसम मेरी अंगड़ाई,
तो किस बात की है लड़ाई।
तू चल मैं आई,
ओ नो आजा शाम होने आई,
मौसम मेरी अंगड़ाई,
तो किस बात की है लड़ाई।
तू चल
नो नो बजा क्या है देखो जरा तुम घड़ी, गुजर जाए प्रेम की ये घड़ी। बजा क्या है देखो जरा तुम घड़ी, गुजर जाए प्रेम की ये घड़ी।
आती हूँ थोड़ा सा धीरज धरो, जगा दूंगी मैं प्रेम की घड़ी।
इतनी दूर है तू कितनी करीब है,
तेरे मेरे प्यार का किस्सा अजीब है।
पत्थरी की वो तो चांद पे बन आई,
है प्यार की गहराई,
वो तो चांद पे बन आई,
है प्यार की गहराई,
वो किस बात की है लड़ाई।
तू चल
Come soon yaar, next year. Thank you.
थैंक यू।
लेडीज अँड जेंटलमॅन प्लीज राहुलकडे लक्ष द्या, सगळ्यांनी इकडे लक्ष द्या. आणि हे दिस सॉन्ग इज व्हेरी युनिक. दिस सॉन्ग हॅज बीन संग बाय डॉक्टर राहुल 25 years back and he will be singing this song once again.
Thank you very much, Nitin, for the great introduction. Hello, 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 hello. देखा ना रे सोचा ना रे दुखी निशाने विचार, कदमों में तेरे निकले मेरा दम, हर हंस यही अरमान। देखा ना रे सोचा ना रे दुखी निशाने
थैंक यू।
अगर आप में कोई हुनर
लिखे जो खत तुझे वो तेरी याद में हजारों रंग के नजारे बन गए। सवेरा जब हुआ तो फूल बन गए, जो रात आई तो सितारे बन गए। लिखे जो खत तुझे बनाने की कसम खाई है।